Hello children, welcome back to my class. I, Kiran Thakur, have come back with a new video for you all. The topic of the video is Please Leave a Message by Neera Harrell. Children, in this story, the main character is a clever boy who works out a solution to his problem on his own. He does not know enough words to take down messages, and so he draws picture with details to remind him to give the message correctly to his parents. He is respectful towards the callers who give him the messages. He is a responsible son and his parents can rely on him when they go out. They are proud of him. They means the boy's parents are proud of him because he had found a way of remembering the messages even though he could not take them down. Means he could not write them down. Finally, he is proud of himself. Means the boy is proud of himself for handling a tricky situation. So children, let us move and see how the boy handles the situation. So children, now let us start our story. So children, let us start our story. Dudi was alone at home. So what is the name of boy? Dudi. Okay, he was alone at home. His parents have gone out. Okay, Dudi's parents have gone out. What is their parents' name? Dina and Solomo. Okay, children, Dina and Solomo are Dudi's parents. They have gone out for some work. There was silence everywhere at home. Okay? The house was very quiet because there was no one at home. So definitely there will be no sound at home. Yes? Suddenly the phone rang. Now Dudi picked up the phone. A woman's voice said, "Hello. Please, may I speak with Miss Dina?" Means the lady who had called, she wants to talk with Dudi's mother. Okay? She is willing to talk with whom? Dudi's mother. Then Dudi replies, "Hello. Mother isn't home." Okay? Dudi replied that mother is not at home. Okay, children? "Could I leave a message, please?" she asked. The lady asked that, "Can I leave the message for your mother?" Dudi replied, "Yes, you could." Okay? Means Dudi is ready to accept or take the message for his mother. "Now, please tell her that her appointment with the dentist is at 7 tomorrow morning." The lady says that tomorrow morning she is having appointment with doctor, dentist. With whom? With dentist. Now, what Dudi is thinking, Dudi said, okay. He took the message and After saying thank you, he hung up the phone. Now Dudi is worried. He is thinking, what if I forget the message? Okay, he is worried. He is thinking now, how will I remember the message? And what if I will forget the message? How will I give the message to mother? Now see what happens after that. Let us see. But Dudi did not know how to write all the words yet. Okay? If he will write the message, then he can, isn't it? Remember the message. Now, he want to write the message, but he is not knowing all the words. Like he have not learned yet. So now Dudi took a pencil and a sheet of paper. Dudi is having one idea. Now some idea he is having to note down the message. Let us see how he will note down the message now. Let's see, children, how Dudi will write the message. Now see what he did. He drew a woman's face. Can you see in the picture? Dudi drew a woman's face. Yes? With her mouth open. You can see in the picture, Dudi has drawn a woman's face and her mouth is open. Yes? Open mouth. Can you see in the picture? Because the message was about dentist visit. Why he has drawn a lady with an open mouth? Why, children? Because the message was about the dentist. Okay? Then he drew 7 teeth inside. You can see in the picture. Yes? Because the appointment was at 7. Yes? Tomorrow morning 7. So that is why. And the phone was from whom? From a lady. So now easily he can read his message looking at this picture and he can give this message to his mother. That is why he drew a lady's face with open mouth and 7 teeth, because it was a dentist appointment and it was at 7. So he drew 7 teeth inside. Okay, children? Now, Dudi is ready with his message. Now, all Dudi had to do was just look at the picture to remember the message. Now, he is not going to forget the message. Dudi felt very pleased, means he is very happy that he has noted down a message for his mother. Now, again, there was a second call. The phone rang again. Okay, there was a second call now. Hello, a man's voice said. Is Mr. Solomo home? Means now someone has called for his father. Okay, someone has called for Dudi's father. Who is Solomo? Solomo is Dudi's father. So now he wants to talk to Dudi's father. Okay, then Dudi replies, hello, he isn't home, means he is not there at home. Then the person says, will you please take a message? The man asked. Okay, the man asked that, will you take the message for me? Will you give the message to your father? Okay, then Dudi replies, please tell. Dudi replies, yes, why not? Okay, then he gives the message that please tell him that Mr. Thomas Wolfe will visit him tonight. Means the person whose name is Mr. Thomas Wolfe. Okay, he will visit him tonight, means he will come to Dudi's father. Okay, tonight means today at night. Okay, so this was the message the man gave to Dudi. Now this was simple enough for Dudi to draw. Okay, now let us see how Dudi will draw the message. Dudi drew a wolf, and what he did? He added some dark colors because the wolf would come to see father in the evening. That is why Dudi, what he did? He drew a wolf because the man's name was Mr. Thomas Wolfe. So just to remember the message, Dudi drew a wolf's picture. Okay? Okay, children? And why did he give the dark shade? Because the wolf would come to see his father in the evening. Dudi's father and mother, they are back. Yes? They says, we are back, Dudi. Who says? His father. Okay? Who is back? Dudi's father and mother, they are back. Now mother asked, did anyone call? Okay? Mother is asking, did anyone call? Yes, a woman and a man, Dudi replies. I took down their messages for you, Dudi said. Here they are. Dudi showed his drawings. Can you see, children? By looking at the picture, can you read the message? Can you? No. Similarly, Dudi's father and mother, they were also unable to read the message. Okay? So, after that, what happened? Then see, they were trying to read the message. They asked Dudi, they want to know the message. So, they asked Dudi that, do you understand the pictures, Dudi? His parents asked, okay? Dudi said, of course. Because he drew the message and he will be definitely able to explain the message. So what he did, he looked at his drawings and gave his parents both the messages with no mistake. Okay, children? Dudi did not make any mistake. Without making any mistake, he gave messages to his parents. Understood, children? Dudi's parents, they are very happy. They are really proud of Dudi. Okay? His parents were very happy. Dudi also felt very proud of himself because he could note down the message for his parents. That is why. Now, children, this story shows how Dudi solves a problem creatively. Dudi is a smart little boy. He is also very responsible. He knows that the messages are important. He wants to make sure that he gives the messages to his parents. He does not worry too much about what he can't do. Okay? Instead, he uses what he can do or draw. So, instead of taking tension, instead of worrying, he solved the problem of noting down the message for their parents. So, children, here we have finished our video. I hope so. You enjoyed the video. You enjoyed the story of Dudi and how he noted down the messages and solved the problem of noting down the message, though he was not knowing how to write the words. So he could find the alternate for writing the message. Children, here we have finished our story. We will meet again in our next video. Till then, thank you and take care. And yes, don't forget to subscribe my channel and leave the comment in the comment box. Thank you. Bye bye and take care.